Leela gave his birth.
Go ahead. Louder.
I'm not able to see her. Okay. Wow. Great. First class. Bayr.
Wonderful, Leela.
Bayr Shivani. Bayr.
आज खतरे पे 5 नंबर एक्स्ट्रा देने में
आज गए मिस 5 नंबर एक्स्ट्रा
आज गए 5 नंबर एक्स्ट्रा लीला खतरे
बे गए मिस कंसेशन आज जल्दी नियरनेस खतरे सो कंसेशन
बिल्कुल
चलो I think we'll wait. It is how much? It is 7:06. We'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start.
जी बिल्कुल
how is where are the other 2 members of your family, Neilji?
So
Seema
one is sick and Seema is not still able to go on the videos yet.
Okay. Yeah, you told me last time. How is she feeling now?
She's feeling better, but not
concussion. No concussion.
It's still concussion. It takes a long time to recover. Actually, I didn't know that.
She's able to attend the hospital. No.
No work.
She's not going out of home. Okay.
No.
So तारीशो पे मैं वायरस काम कर रही थी आज कुछ खाना बात बना हुआ है नीलजी से खाने बना
Yeah, it's me. Oh no, it's Leela. It's Leela. Who's making food?
No. Leela is getting the vegetables from here and there. Thi Leela जो कोई और ना सब्जी वब्जी आ काम करा मदद करा दे चिनको
Leela, what did you have the other day for food? You had Rogan Josh, and you had Nadru, and you had Hawk, right? Yeah, when Mimi came. Oh, you didn't have Hawk? Leela doesn't eat vegetables. Oh, here's Ahana.
Hello, Anna. How are you, beta? ठीक ठाक. वंशा बहुत करन कोशिश पे काट करना.
I'm speaking in Kashmiri. Yeah. Is Grizzy speaking Kashmiri?
No, you are still telling him Grizzy. Grizzy is not his name. You have to say Bokot only. Bokot only. Okay. I think we had some fun. Let's start. I will start. Hello, Tushar. Tushar has joined. How are you, Tushar?
How do I change the view, man?
Tushar? Bus class. So then I'm starting sharing the screen and let's start rather than waiting for others to join. So, come Karavis.
That's fine. No, it's 5 people.
So, let us do one thing first. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. First, before we start, I think I missed the more important thing, that is yes. Let's start with the prayer. Leela or Neilji, any one of you.
Okay. Let me try. Namame Tvam Sharada Devi Mahabhagi Bhagvati Kashmir Purvasini Vidha Dayinani. I don't know what the next one is.
Rakshma.
Rakshmam. Namame.
Tom. Okay. Thank you, Neilji. Tushar. Lalwak par.
Okay. Laman, the noon, Niti Diatar, Amian Takian, Huism Shaman, Zulsum Brahman, Gargat.
Very good. Chalo. Thank you, dear. Chalo. God bless you. So let's come back to the revision part. Leela, because you are going early, so we'll start with you. Can you read all this? Sayaku ye pere sore vowels.
You know,
Avaz.
right?
Pronounce.
Yeah.
You can pronounce this.
This. Go.
Oh God, God. Huh? I'm not able to hear you. I'm not able to hear you. Can you
Yeah, you're
please
so soft.
increase? Good, good.
Much louder.
Be closer to the mic. That's good. Okay.
Yeah.
We didn't do the E.
Yeah,
We just
keep
do
going.
the ones you know. So, keep going.
And then what we did too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Again, let me repeat.
Louder.
This is like ach, ach. Okay, the first one. Ach. Merge.
He's telling you.
This one, with the moon on the bottom. And what is the U with the cap? With the U with the cap.
Wait, which one? We doing?
With the throat. With the throat. Eh. Oh. Okay, good. Let's go. Thank you. This is easy one. Huzaifa. Huzaifa ji, can you speak this? Huzaifa ji has dropped off, or what happened? Or I'm not able to see her. Fareen, can you see this?
Yeah. Z, ch, z.
Z. Oh, very good. You are able to see Huzaifa, or she has dropped off somewhere? और मेरे को ही नहीं दिख रही है.
I don't see her.
अच्छा, okay, maybe she's lost a link. Okay, no problem. Okay, Tushar, next. हाँ. Your voice is breaking. Your network is not good. We're not able to hear you. Okay, no problem. Neilji, can you pronounce this?
Uch.
Okay. Okay. This is ach, same. Ach means I. Okay. Again, another word with a. Gar.
Good.
Gar. That's right. Gar. Next. What is this?
Yeah, go.
Ner.
Nar. Very good. What is this? Leela?
Third.
Sir. Very good. Sir. Sir. Very good. Sparrow. Okay. Guide word for
Ready?
what is that? Yeah, word.
Merge.
Merge. Very good. And what is this?
The.
Dhar. Very good. What is this?
Good.
Cur means what? Neck.
Neck.
Neck. Cur means neck. Don't look at the necklace. Look at the neck. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Then this is you. Anybody can read this? Yeah. Done. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Done means pomegranate. And what is this? Ur is plum. And what is this? Means mouth. Okay, I think we have revised this. Let's get back to the lesson 2 now. Though this is a revision of lesson 2, but last time I had told you कि मैं आप लोगों से कुछ पूछूंगा इसके बारे में. So what I want is that I am going to ask you certain words and you have to tell me. I am going to ask you in English. You have to tell me what it is called in Kashmiri. Farheen.
Yes.
एक minute. How do I shield this? Anyway, let me. How do I do that? I can't do that. Okay.
Maybe
Anyway.
just scroll up a little bit or something.
You can stop sharing screen for some time.
No, I don't want to do that. Then it will not. Okay. Tell me, swan.
Uns.
Uns. Okay. Good. Then bungalow or building.
Building.
House.
Makan.
Lur.
Oh, lur. Did we
Lur.
do that?
Okay, I will take it. Must be there somewhere. No, I don't know whether we did it or not, but it is one of the words which should be there.
I don't think we did that.
Out of syllabus aa gaya ye to. Gar, nar, ver, it is not there. Okay, it was out of syllabus. Okay. Now her you will know. Okay. Enjoyment.
Ush.
Leela, you have gone through all these?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me all the words you have learnt of you with a cap.
But
Uh-huh.
Sharab, Pataj,
Uh-huh.
Color. Wait, what?
That's the last one you learned, color.
Yeah.
Okay, but you also know the names of these in English?
Oh, sorry. Ba is me.
Uh-huh.
You. Sharab is fat. Pataj is mat, and good is slip. And good
Khur.
is
It is khur.
good.
That's it. KH is khur. Okay. Next.
Good is display of energy, and color is head.
Okay. Var means slowly. You can tell your sister, eat slowly. Var kya bat. Var kya bat. Eat your food slowly. Var kya bat. Or bat kya var. Either way, it is okay. Okay.
Go.
And sometimes you say the mutton is very soft. So you say you say mutton is naram. Soft means?
Naram.
Naram. Very good. Very good. Chalo. Okay, I think let's leave it at that because today's lesson is slightly longer. We'll go to that lesson. Okay. Let's go to the next, the main lesson now. So please revise these. जो सभी को please आप अपना ये सब revise करके कर लीजिए. Okay. This is very important. Huzaifa has joined back. तो बच गई है तो Huzaifa अभी I didn't ask her any questions. Huzaifa you logged off worried about questions? अभी भी आवाज नहीं आ रही बराबर. अच्छा, okay. Let's start the lesson 3. Lesson 3 is revision of lesson number 2 we have done just now. I hope you have आप लोगों ने भी सब लोगों ने ये किया होगा. And lesson 2 जो हमने अभी किया वापस revision. Remember these words. अभी जैसे मैंने अभी बात किया था, हुजैफा जी you are not there, so please go through all the words जो भी हमने सिखाए थे last time words या जो lesson में लिखे हैं. You must सब लोगों को उसका हर एक word English में और हिंदी में या कश्मीरी में पता होना चाहिए. Okay, so next time I am going to apart from the revision we'll take up some words from first, second and third of lesson. I will write it down so that they don't get displayed. Okay. So I think Huzaifa ji has told me that she has started using day-to-day word. Leela, you have started using day-to-day?
Have you started using it? A little bit?
Little
She used
bit.
it once.
Okay, but I think she has to do it more often. Okay, at least 2 times a day, every day. Okay, pick up the common words which are used daily. It will be much easier because what are the words are there? They are all common words, Leela. Okay. And you can practice with your sister. She's now she has passed that exam first, so you can practice with her and it will help her also. Okay. Okay, chalo. Let's get back to the lesson. Today's lesson is that another special vowel a and o. We just learned we just learned them again repeated. So what is the pronunciation for different words? A. Can anybody read this now? Let Huzaifa ji read this. Huzaifa ji, please read this, the first one. I'll not read it.
Re.
Huh? Re. Re. Correct. So, ve. Okay.
Be.
Hmm.
Ke.
Okay. But that's all. Farinji. Roman
Ye.
chupa. Romanus kun chuchun. Paane shun yad thaun. Okay. Venue.
Yele.
Hmm.
Tele.
Hmm.
Bine.
Hmm.
Jajir.
Jejir. Okay.
Jijir.
Ah.
Nichu.
Ah.
Ehsan.
Yes. Very good. Excellent. तुषार समा कर कागज ट्राई. तुषार
हेलो.
तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही आज बराबर. बोलो. When नहीं, we are not able to help. We are not able to hear you. There is a lot of noise. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just listen today. I think your network is not okay. Okay, no issue. Leila.
We have to say this with two, right?
Yeah, start from the beginning.
Re,
हाँ.
ve,
हाँ.
be,
हाँ.
You
Kenya,
can.
K. N is only with the nose. K. It's not Kena. No. K.
K,
Because see again you must remember, if there is a N is pronounced, then there will be an A. It will not be NH. Okay, just for your understanding. Okay, go ahead.
Yele,
Where's your sister? Let's ask her.
Hana,
Anna, come on.
Okay, read these. Yale.
Jalle,
हाँ.
anything, Challe,
हाँ.
Benye,
हाँ.
Jir,
हाँ.
Nechev,
हाँ.
Esan.
Çakos şey beyni. Çakos şey beyni.
Her,
उसका नाम नहीं है. समझ ना नाम वनुन.
What's her name?
Lila,
Mjöin beniçi lila. क्या च वनुन? Mjöin beniçi lila. या लीला ची mjöin beni. Either way it is okay. Lila chi mjöin beni. Okay.
Lila,
So chi mjöin beni. So you have to repeat this to your dad and mom today 3-4 times. So
okay.
so she will also love it. She will also love it, and she also has to tell you the same thing. Okay. It is equally applicable to elder or junior. It doesn't matter. It's a sister only. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Great. Chalo. Okay. We'll go to the next one. We get O. Okay, and now we go to we have Huzaifa. हाँ Huzaifa जी बोलिए आप. बच्चों ज़्यादा practice की ज़रूरत. बनिए. Go ahead.
Dul, Tup,
Very good.
Drug,
हाँ
Num,
हाँ.
Ogun,
बस. फरीन जी.
Osh,
हाँ
Dol,
हाँ
On,
हाँ.
Och, Goch.
Goats. Sir.
Goch.
TSH. तो you know ये Romanisms पढ़ा. So OTSH. TSH पढ़ना है. Sir. H पढ़ना means sir. तो जो oats. type अच्छे. अगर जन TSH होता है ऐसे तेलुगु sir. Goats. याची TSH. हम कहेंगे goats. Okay. Same thing, Huzaifa ji, for you also, since you're and Leila, you also remember. Okay, can you read this, Leila? I want you to read half of it and Hana to read half of it. Go ahead.
So, soap,
Louder.
soap,
yeah.
drug,
Drog. It is again. Oh, drog.
drug,
Yum. Very good.
Ogun, Ush, Dul, On, Ut, Guts.
Great. आपने तो अभी आहना को she will have to compete with you. Ahana, come on.
Okay. Tor, soap, drug, Nyam, Ogun, Ush, Dul, On, Uts, Guts.
I want one more thing. I will repeat this, the first one and second one again for this reason. Reh means flame. Okay, remember. Reh means flame. Veh means poison. Veh. Beh means sit. Keh means anything. Yeli means when. Teli means then. Beni means sister. Jajir means hookah. Nichu means sun. Ehsan means favor. Okay. Now we go to the next one also. Again I will read the English words also. Dor means hard. Soap means bite. Yeah. Icha soap much havan. Bakut much soap havan.
No. Soap not.
Okay. Drog, costly. Neum, lemon. Ogun, flaming fire. Flaming fire. Lot of flames. Okay. It's generally what you can say Ogun. When you have a havan going on, you will see a lot of flames. So that is Ogun. Osh, tears. Dol. If you last time Neilji told me ki you have a ferran at your home. The bottom portion of that is known as dol. Okay.
With the bottom part.
Bottom part of even for girls, if you have a long frock and the bottom part of that is called dol. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. On is blind. Oats is weak. Ghost is wanted. Oats is weak, not for a person. Oats means weak, generally used with clothes. Okay. If something has got very weak, when you try to pull it, it just breaks off. You know, it tears off. So it is oats means from that point of view, not weak. We can't say oats person. We can't use it for that. It is for that. Okay. Okay, Leela.
Okay.
Huzaifa ji.
What do we use for the person?
Person है. कमजोर शिवना कमजोरी वैसे शिवना ब्याह वाला पुरुषार्थ कुछो कमजोर शिवना is kashir pattern वैसे छांड original kashir नफर kashir word I will share with the group. Okay. वैसे generally colloquially वना कमजोर शिवना generally मगर आताश का बदल कशर लफ्ज आया. Okay. So then we'll go to the next. Now we'll have the regular alphabets from E, U, A, I, O, Ah, we don't use, as we have already discussed that in the first list. Okay. Now for Roman, especially सारे आज Roman ही सीख रहे हैं, तो remember this. I think Huzaifa ji or Fareen, I don't know who sent me, one of you sent me that written something. So you are a little confused with how to read this. Sometimes you write correctly, sometimes not. So remember, if it is right to left, it is smaller sound. E. If it is left to right, it is E. Okay, it applies to everything. So if it is U with the left, right to left, it means O. And it means if it is left to right, it is oo. It is right to left, it is oo. Same way in a, e, a. This is the longest sound. It is left to right. A. And I is a e. Generally, एक चीज आपको सबको याद में रखना पड़ेगा कि जब भी आप इसमें कीबोर्ड में ये a e ये it is joined together also. So generally we use it as joined together. Here it has not been used that way. It is A and E separately, but it is in the, if you see the keyboard, that means you assign A, E together. O, again, because it is left to right, it is O. Ow is AU, and जैसे अभी हमने word किया, you should necessity your one, it's with the nose. It is not na. If it is an A, then it is a different thing. Okay, that is na. It is, if it is ke, it is only with the nose. You see, N has a very faint pronunciation. Fareen ji, Huzaifa ji, am I clear?
Yeah.
Chalo, ठीक है, great.
Would you call that N like kunk?
Ah,
that like- is that what that
khunk.
means?
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yeah, how did you remember that word? It's very, very typical word.
It's a very odd word. It's a very odd word.
It is a hard word, and it relates to nose
Odd,
only.
very odd. It's very unusual word.
And it relates to nose only. Okay, great. So let's go by one. Again, E. I with the right to left. Asterisk on top. It is usage is the same. I will not read this, Mohit Vilas. Let us go to the actual word. Guide word here is kheer. Kheer.
Kid.
No. This is wrong.
Hello? Hello? Did I freeze?
This is in Hindi. It is wrong, written wrongly. It should be E. Oh, sorry.
You're on mute, sir.
I got logged off, I think. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
But Kashmiri word is kir or kir?
Khir.
Kir.
Kashmiri word is khir. Sorry. My mistake while reading. Okay. Then ijazat. Again, I with the right to left. Ijazat. In Devanagari, it is the E as a normal thing. But in Roman, it is I with right to left. Asterisk on top. Ijazat. Ishtam. Divta. Bitur. Bichor. Kasid. Ardij. Mithai. Girdab. Huzaifa ji, can you read this, please?
Khir,
Hmm.
ijazat,
Hmm.
ishtam, devta,
Okay.
bitur, Bichor, Kasid,
Cursid, right?
Kadij, Mithai,
Mithai, merge, merge on the earth.
Mithai,
Mithai, Mithai.
Mithai,
Okay,
Girdab,
Girda. Okay, Farhin ji.
Khair, ijazat, ishtam,
Now we have to either throw yard. Tam im sata touch ts dot.
dot,
Im sata touch ishtam just thoda khayal thon. Ishtam, very good.
devta, bitur, bichor, kasid, adij,
ये क्या है adij? ये क्या है ना adij?
dot नीचे
Dot
लिखे,
डाल के very good. चलो, okay.
मिठाई,
Hmm.
गिरदाब.
Girdab. Okay. Yeah, Leela.
Leela had to go.
Okay, no problem. Hannah is there or no, only
No,
yourself?
they both, just me.
Both.
Just me.
Okay, no problem. Can you go through this just for revision sake? Yeah.
Khair, ijazat, ishtam, devta, bitur, bichor, kasid, adij, mithai, girdab.
Very good. Now, important thing is that you have to remember कि ijazat means permission, as in Hindi or Urdu. Ishtam means stamp paper. Divta means godly person, God or rishi जो भी बोलते हैं. Bitur means capacity of a person to listen or to understand. Okay, just from that perspective, capacity. Bichor means he's helpless. He's not confident, or he doesn't have support. Cursid, messenger, anybody who sends, who carries a message from one place to another. Adij, bone. Mithai, sweets. Girdab, whirlpool. This is also very typical word, girdab. Okay, E, I will read all of this. E, sheen is the guide word. Sheen, snow. Iman, faith. Eid, Eid festival. Seer, brick. Teer, arrow. Cheer, tight. Beer, wooden ball. Farhin, Huzaifa, Taicho, beer, which one do I almost guys? Anybody has seen beer?
No,
No.
It says Kashmir must batter sig that it was made of wood only. Taimi sita is gina, that is when I beer. Okay, wooden ball. Miras, Garib, Garib. Remember, it is not Garib, Garib. It is A with a circle on top. Garib means poor. Nasib means fate. Okay. Huzaifa ji, you and then Farhin. Chalo.
Sheen, Iman, Eid, Seer, Teer, Cheer,
Cheer.
Cheer,
You with the top, with the cap on the top. Cheer. Okay.
Cheer, Beer, Das,
Hmm.
Garib,
Hmm.
Naseeb.
तोय अगर गरस मज फादर वादर छ तिम आसे कहाँ पुरान किताब विताब तथ मज आसे बियर हवित जरूर ठीक छे पुरान लॉकचार्ज का किताब आसे okay. You'll give it a try. Farin, you've seen it, you've read it? No, Farin, go ahead.
Okay. Sheen,
Hmm.
Iman, Eid,
Hmm.
Seer,
Hmm.
Teer,
Hmm.
Cheer,
Hmm.
Beer,
Hmm.
Miras,
Hmm.
Garib,
Hmm.
Naseeb.
Just for understanding sake, Teer is also
Known
sheep.
as
Sheep. Imsan chena va katcha sa varia. Timan is Teer vana.
Teer.
Timan is Teer vana. Okay. Oh.
Just one question.
Yeah.
I thought Khan was.
Khan is arrow. That is also Khan is also arrow. You're absolutely right. That's why I was telling you. Teer is more used in the original Kashmiri. Teer is used for a group of sheep. Teer. Okay. Then, oh, but, ujrat. This should be musibat. It is not come properly. Musibat, uftad, kunz, butrat, wuz, wumar, kachul. Okay. Farhin.
But,
Hmm.
ujrat,
Hmm.
musibat,
Hmm.
uptad,
Hmm.
kunz,
Hmm.
butrat,
Hmm.
wuz,
Hmm.
bumar,
Hmm.
kachul.
Kachul. So, I would request you that you read the English also with it. Huzaifa ji, आप English भी पढ़ लेना sir.
Okay. But, it
Face.
means face.
Face. Okay.
Ujrat, wages. Musibat, a calamity. Uftad is distressed. Kunz is a key. Butrat is earth. Wuz is a passage. Vumur is age. Kachul is an aged goat. Aged goat.
Okay. Today we have a lot of sheep and goat and everything. Okay, good. Let's go to oo. Okay. Neilji, can you read it? Actually, Tushar is not able to. There is some issue there. Can you read this for me?
June, Roon, Kur, Kut, Shub, Doon, Pooza, Woont, Boot, Doon.
With the English
Oh,
word.
sorry. June, June month. Roon, husband. Kur, daughter. Kut, how much. Shub, splendor. Doon, walnut. Pooza, puja. Woont, camel. Boot, shoes. Doon, cotton carder.
Okay, great. Farhin. Farhin ji.
June,
Hmm.
Roon,
Hmm.
Kur, Kut, Shub, Doon, Puja, Woont, Boot, Doon.
With English words. With English words. Okay.
June, month of June. Roon, husband. Kur, daughter. Kut, how much. Shub, splendor. Doon, walnut. Puja, puja. Woont, camel. Boot, shoes. Doon, cotton carder.
Very good. Huzaifa ji.
June, the month. Roon, husband. Kur, daughter. Kut, how much. Shub, splendor. Doon, walnut. Puja, puja. Woont, camel. Boot, shoes. Doon, cotton carder.
Thank you. Sharing. Great. A. A. E with the left to right. A. Neilji.
Rail, rail. Itiraz, objection. Mech, nail.
Make. Oh, wait. Make.
Yeah. Make, nail.
Just
Jail.
one minute. Make means a big nail. Normal nail is called kul. And if it is a big nail, it is called make. Okay, go ahead.
Jail, jail. Mekhal, Yagnopavit. Kensa, something. Trail, type of apple. Kela, banana. Tser, late. Tail, bag.
Okay. Farinji.
Rail, rail, एतराज, objection, make, nail, jail, jail, mekhal, yagnopavit ceremony, kientha, something, trail, a kind of apple, kiel, banana, chair, a late, thiel, bag.
Another thing, ser is also a fruit.
Boot.
Okay. Okay, just for understanding. Chalo, Huzaifa ji, abhi aapka turn.
Rail.
Hmm.
Is it like the train, right?
Yeah, रेल नहीं हाँ रेल तो ट्रेन ही होती है बट बेसिकली ट्रेन हाँ ट्रेन से जो ना रेल बेसिकली जो मतलब ना ट्रेन is consisting of lot of bogies, so the whole thing is called rail. Okay, it is not that rail which is English rail, which is the the girder on which the train moves. It's not that. The rail means which is total train, a poor train with all bogies inside. Okay, go ahead.
E'tiraz. Objection. Make. Nail. Jail. Jail. Mekhal. Yagniyopavit ceremony. What's that?
You've seen Hindus wear that genuine, you see, like this. There is a
With threads.
ceremony. There is
Ah.
a ceremony which is used on which day you use this yagnopavid when it is put on. So this is called yagnopavid. This is called mekal. That function is called mekal. Okay.
Yeah.
All generally Kashmir mein sabhi log ke paas the Hindus are wearing this general. Outside India, only the Brahmins. Okay. Outside rest of the Kashmir, rest of India. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Kiesa. Something. Trail. A kind of apple. Kiel. Banana. Chair. Late. Tail. Bag.
Here also, I want to tell you something, both for Fareen and Huzaifa. Kiensa is one, sometimes our namkeen, chota sa namkeen है ना ख्यावान का रस्म.
Junk food.
Kiensa miensa is that one. ऐसे लोग चारों में सुना kiensa miensa. मतलब kiensa is anan ऐसे ना मतलब बुढ़े बाबा ऐसे क्या ऐसे सोचा anan शिरन का तर kiensa miensa इन्हें namkeen इन्हें या कारा इन्हें या क्या ये चीज़ इसमें अलांटे तो बार बुझे से इसमें इस anan. That is when I cancer. But literal meaning means something. Okay. Actual Kashmiri meaning. Chalo, great. I. There are very few words with I. So, Vaikunt is paradise. Ab, fault or defect. Baithak, drawing room. Haibung, dumbstruck. Okay, Neilji.
Vaikunt, paradise. Aib, fault or defect. Baitak, drawing room. Haibunga, dumbstruck.
Ab के साथ में generally कश्मीर में use ab बहुत कम करते हैं. Vishwana herb. Vishwana herb. Herb means defect. Okay. So haibung, very less used nowadays Kashmir. Haibung. Sugo haibung. Sugo haibung. मतलब some as one time we told something to somebody, he was dumbstruck. Something he didn't expect. So sugo haibung. Okay. So that's what it means. Okay, can you, Fareen and Huzaifa ji, can you read this?
Vaikunt, paradise, herb, ebb, fault, Baithak, drawing room, Haibung, dumbstruck.
Just one question, Huzaifa ji. Vintisha bana, त्याच्या कशीर में शीर बना बैठक की ना विंच बना ड्राइंग रूम में.
Baithak.
बैठक ही बना. चलो गुड. तो मतलब कौशल शुविंच चलान. चलो ठीक है. फरीन जी.
Vaikunt, paradise, herb, fault, Baithak, drawing room, Haibung, dumbstruck.
Very good. Chalo. I think now we have, I think this is, we have a couple of them more. Oh, again, left to right, asterisk on top. Mole, father, more, peacock, os, was, olu, potato, om, apor, other side, bror, cat, sore, for, hosh, senses, prone, old. Neilji.
Mole, father. More, peacock. Os, was. Olu, potato. Om. Apor, other side. Bror, cat. Thor, for. Hosh, senses. Prone, old.
Farinji.
Mole, father, more, peacock. Os was, olive, potato. Om, a poor, other side. Bror, cat. Sore, four. Hosh, senses. Prawn, old.
Huzaifa ji.
Mole, father, more, peacock. Os was, olive, potato. Om, a poor, other side. Bror, cat. Suor, four. Hosh, senses. Prawn, old.
Sore, Farin or Huzaifa, can you tell me sore से ब्याह के meaning की?
To pick वो चावल चूर
छांटना मतलब वो साफ करना
हाँ वो like तुमुल चारुन
No,
चूर
no, Tarun no. Sore chalag. Sore chi itself a word. When you. Tachu bronte. Tachu which much na ye chuna. Is a gas chuna. As a gas stove. You say but bronte as a dan. Bronte as a dan. Manchi tachi imzen sore chuna burner as an ikishwanan sore. Okay. But basically this word was used for the दान यूजन मेन वो सासन जो हम लकड़ी से जलाते थे जिसमें दो साइड में पतीले रहते थे बीच में से आग जलाते थे उताते उसमें दान तात किस साइड अस यूजन अस जाए अस या पर जन बाने इस्तेमाल पतीले इस्तेमाल ताते इसमें चोर
वो पता था वो मेटल वाला भी वो होता था उसको उक्सोर कहते थे
ओक्सोर बराबर ताचुगा अकोया गर्दन है ओक्सोर गाव याजन अकोया दुचोर गाव याजन जास याजन जास चलो ठीक है जो वन रुइन दान है तो इसलिए गाव मशीती थी
अभी भी गैस के उसको
वहाँ
ट्रेडिशनल ग्रैंडमदर्स
तिमशु विंदी वनान सोर था
हाँ
that is right तिमशु विंदी वनान सोर आव औषध AUSHAD औषध औजार गाव
go
so actually it is just gav it is gav so basically gav is athwana generally kashir but gav bahut kam bolte so aushad there are only three I don't want you to repeat aushad medicine auzar instrument gav is wana but basically chat kashir man generally zyada wana gavi we don't use GAU we use GAV gav for cow okay अगर गाव went ब्याख you know खबर तय फरीन और हुजैफा जी ये यम ज डायलेक्ट यम जन कशीर में अलग अलग जायन छिमा वन सु गाव श्रीनगरस में वनान गाव तो मतलब जनरली अगर अनंतनाग एरिया वगैरह ऐसे तच वना गो
ये गो उसको मतलब पसंद को भी कहते हैं नॉट पसंद रियली बट when you say something that's favorable I think or something along those lines मैंने गाव ये च मैंने गाव
सुगो गाव सुच वर्ड अलग सुगो गाव
का सेकंड वाला वैसा ही लग रहा है ना गाव
नहीं सुगो गा सुच गाव गाव आसे टेल गई GA with a top circle on the top and V and U with a top cap सुगो गाव ठीक है
सर याद नहीं रहेगा सारा
हाँ नहीं क्या ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे सी इमसातंजन gav बनावे तो that last letter has to be U with a cap v okay जैसे ऐसा बिजन करूँ मुझे एस्पोर ना we read that just now just like did we read it today? No, we didn't read it today. Okay, I just give me 1 minute. I'll show you if I have that here. I have lesson. I think I have closed that. Doesn't matter. So Gauga, you with the cap. Okay, you with the cap. Let me just see whether it is on my desktop. I will pull that. I have. No, not on this. Lesson 2 revision में नहीं है. It should be in lesson 2. For some classes. Let me go. Sorry, again made a mistake. Not revision. I have to get lesson 2. Lesson 2. You see here. Tabuchu Dashvi, are you able to see?
Yes.
Mhm.
V, gav, s. So it's essay.
No wala. Okay.
So you with a cap. That is teli aise tata to teli chu. So last us mas aise. Echna kal ek musla. Gav agar that aise GAV be you with a cap, it would mean something like this. Gav. Okay? Me aini gav. Okay, chalo, let's just for understanding. Let's go back to our lesson. Okay. Okay. I O आओ again जो हमने नील जी बता रहे थे तो let's नील जी can you read this for you hung no you're muted you are muted you can't see it Huzaifa ji Farhin ji you are able to see it
Yeah.
अच्छा चलो कैंशन पर हम मशीन में बोल दें तो period
Okay, I'm good now. I'm good now.
you're good now okay no problem so you
I don't know what happened.
no problem
Ung, part, onguj, finger, muns, in, zung, leg, dund, tooth or teeth, bones, monkey, mandar, temple, vanda, winter, randuk, leather strip, sungur, mountain.
Now remember here one thing is to be remembered that whenever we use A and G, we are not using an A. It is be spoken with the nose only. Ang,
kunk,
kunk, right. So ang, wand. It is not vanad. No, wand. It is mandar. It is not manadar. Okay. So Farin.
Ang, part, onguj, finger, mans, in, zang, leg, dand, tooth, teeth, pons, monkey, mandar, temple, wand, winder, randuk, leather strip, sangur, mountain.
Just for everybody, randuk, it is the leather strip means it is used for if you see a barber, he sharpens his blade on a leather strip like this. So that is called randuk. It is not a general leather strip. There's a strip particularly used by barber to sharpen his blade. That there used to be nowadays it has a blade separate inside. Earlier it used to be the blade itself was the razor he used to use was to be sharpened itself. So that he used to do like this on that leather strip. So that is called randuk. ठीक है फरीन जी? पढ़िए तो हाँ हुज़ैफा
Ang, part, onguj, finger, mans, in, zang, leg, dand, tooth or teeth, pons, monkey, mandar, temple, wand, winter, randuk, leather strip, sangur, mountain.
Yeah, just for everybody, generally Sheshwanan, Kashirpet, Sangar Mal. That is a range of mountains, especially used in poetry. Generally, we don't use Sangar. We use Pahad,
Bal.
Bal. Bal is a small mountain. It's not a mountain. Hill
Ko-
is a hill, we can say, is that word bal. It is not another thing is, if it is not made of stone, if it is made of earth only, tachmana wooder. Okay, that is also slightly raised area, but setha kam asan. If we go as per the height, wooder, bal, sangur. In that way. So the highest is the Sangur mountain. Okay, next we'll go. These are conjunct. It is very, very important, especially for understanding E with a cap. It is very, very important for all of you जो Roman में लिखते हैं. It is pronounced as e. It is in Devanagari. It is any letter which is half letter with a year. It is a conjunct of any letter with year. So, जैसे it is s or year का conjunct है, it is sec, meng, sef, den, rek, pendul, fenzar, sef, vedak, thakun. Okay. You, Neilji, please read with the English word. English me.
Jack. Sand. Meng, temple of the head. Seth, whitish earth. Yen, day. Rek, bird's odor. Ordor. Pyendel, shrinking into a ball. Fianzara, great lamentation. Seth, skin wound. Vedak, to complain, lamentation. Dekun, to boast.
Farhinji.
Sek, sand. Myang, temple of the head. Sep, a kind of whitish earth. Den, day. Rek, bird's order. Pendle, shrinking in.
Okay. I think we lost you in between. You lost me or I lost you, I don't know.
I think we lost her.
Achha, okay. Farinji, one more time. I think we lost your voice halfway. Chef?
Okay. Sef, skin wound. Veda, complaint or lamentation. Thekun, to boast.
It is a Vedak. Vedak. A shouldn't left to right strict. So Vedak, should zor pawan. Vedak.
Veda. Veda.
Very good. Huzaifa ji.
Sek, sand. Myang, temple of the head. Sep, a kind of whitish earth. Din, day. Rek, bird's odor. Pendul, shrinking into a ball. Fenzar, great lamentation. Sep, skin wound. Vedak, complaint. Thekun, to boast.
Chef? Fareen or Huzaifa, you know what is Chef? Tasha, which was Chef? No.
No.
Bronte is asan mashik. Tas per zan is lekhan is person azkan slate छ आसान तथे पर आसान bronte asan mashik. Tas per is lekhan meal is asan so asan basically is asan whitish earth. Tam sites kalmo sitin lekhan. That is one as Chef. Days I don't know so matlab na so आदत ak nashiv karno. Timo Chef khavan thi. That zaman mein Chef ke log khavan thi. They had some attraction to that. I don't know why. Some of them, not everybody, but some of them used to eat it. But basically, it was used for writing on that wooden, slate on which we used to write with this Chef. Okay.
Is it like a natural chalk or something?
It's not a natural chalk. It used to be used with water. Actually, we used to use with a what should I say? With a pen, not really made of this bamboo. You have seen that old quill type thing.
Yeah.
Quill is of course made from the feather, but we used to make it from the bamboo shoot small, and we used to write with. I have written with this. Now, of course, it is nostalgic only. Nobody writes with that. Everybody writes with a ball pen now. Nobody even writes with the ink pen now. Okay, so
When we say doh, does that work as well for
okay,
day?
okay. Huh. Now I think this is a good point. Then means day and night. Doh means day
Ah,
and raat. Doh to raat. You know, this is the difference.
mhm.
Okay, am I clear?
Yeah.
Then means both day and night. It is a then, and
It's
doh
24
means
hours period.
24 hours. Doh means doh has a opposite night. You know, doh and raat. Okay. Next, good point your is. Again, this is another conjunct with were. Again, any letter preceding were, like we had preceding here. Here we have half word conjunct with were. Sock. Again, like we had sack. Here it is sock. Dock. Bod. Kong. God. Khot. Wamed. Sotsal. Chapur. Pont. Neilji.
Sok, happiness. Dok, pain or sorrow. Bod, intelligence. Kong, saffron. Gord, ankle, beginning. Kot, impure. Womed, hope. Sotal, a Kashmiri vegetable. Tsopoid, all around. Pond, sneeze.
There is one mistake here. I think God is only ankle. It's not beginning. That is God.
Okay.
That is God. So we'll have to correct this. I will tell her to correct it. Farinji bole.
Swak, happiness. Dok, pain, sorrow. Bod, intelligence. Kwang, saffron. God, ankle. Kot,
Caught.
impure.
Caught.
Kot,
Not caught. KH. Caught.
kot,
Hmm.
kot, impure. Vamed, hope. Sotsal, a Kashmiri vegetable. Chopper, all around. Pond, a sneeze.
Huzaifa.
Swak, happiness. Dok, pain. Bud, intelligence. Kong, saffron. God, ankle. Khot, impure. Womed, hope. Sotsal, a Kashmiri vegetable. Chopper, all around.
Chopper. See, R with a,
R,
whenever you know I with an I suffix is there. So with a superscript.
Mm.
R and year. This is a year, but very low sound of year.
Chopper,
Chopper.
chopper, okay.
Chopper. Okay.
Chopper, all around. Pond, a sneeze.
अब कोई चीज पर ना बे तो ये बी ये can
Bud,
sock dock then
bud,
bod bod. Okay, very
bud.
good, very good, nice, great. Okay, I think we'll go through this. So last time we learned michunav cheshta tahi kya chunav. Okay, today we'll learn buchus nokri karan. I want Neilji, you don't do anything. Let us ask Farheen and Huzaifa. You will read. These are 5. Any one of you read 3 and then other 2. Okay. You
Okay.
read this actually from this. Don't do it from memory. Okay.
Okay.
Huzaifa ji. Okay.
B,
Hmm.
chus,
Hmm.
nokri,
Hmm.
karan.
Hmm. Good.
B, chas, nokri, karan.
So it is one is for the male, another is for female. Okay. Next. Hmm.
B, chus, paran.
Chus.
Chus,
Chus
paran.
paran. Hmm.
B, chus, paran. B, chas, scientist. तो है क्या छिव छिव karan.
Chiv. Correctly first time. Chiv. Achana, you pet cap. We just discussed that. Chiv. Tohi again, because it is not a tohi, it is tohi because I is superscript. So tohi kya chiv karan. Okay, Farinji. You also read this again. Don't remember from your mind. Keep reading the text. Okay.
B chus nokri karan. B chas nokri karan. B chus paran. B chas scientist. Toh kya chuv karan.
Tohi kya chiv karan. Okay.
Toh kya chuv karan.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Chalo. So answer would be Buchus business karan. So again, I want you to read. Neilji knows it. Let Farheen, you start with, or Huzaifa, you start with it. Okay, go ahead.
Chus business karan. I'm doing business. Chas business karan. I'm doing business. Chus doctor. I'm a doctor. Chas advocate. I'm an advocate.
Great. Farheen ji.
Again.
Oh, I think that's the end of the assessment. But just one thing is important. Huzaifa ji, Farheen ji, and Neil ji and Shupit Millet Korun classes, especially for you. What I want you to do, कि तुम कहते ये पानवैन इस कथ करें. Guys, you to classes must exceed. I'm sitting गसान थोड़ा practice. Especially what you should do, तो you कशर type माहौल, तो you कशर हेकल तो ये बुझते. मगर main चीज शु, तो you ये Romanus मज लेखो. And pass on the slip. तो you ना लोग slip आसान. Notepad चुना आसान. तो you which means notepad.
Look at.
ना जब stickers आसान ये तो मैं बुझू सामने इस्तेमाल stickers. ये ना लोग stickers या already होता है. इस पर लिख तो दियोता आखिर किस. So let's see how it runs. This is one way of writing this. So I was just going through something I will share with you next time. So it helps you a lot to understand him. Sana to likho because I should generally kashur mahol should I the pronunciation you may still pick up. Magar lekhun kut potential which is ज़्यादा important. Chati.
Yemen answer and kya just here question mark.
कहता था अच्छा answer नहीं था question mark. तो you should गलती करो जान करो होता है वो इपे में इवन वन शिवानी पे वन अच्छा क्या था हम गलती करो एक दो जगह गलतियां हैं we I will get it corrected. Thank you dear, thanks a lot. So you can make your own groups within the class. तो इच्छू पाने class बनाए outside the class call each and practice sentences. ये पे जब मैं वन ना तो इच्छू कशुर तगान करूँ वंशु तो लेखुन आखिर किसी से तो slippers पर दमान लिखे तो that will be much better. Okay. PDF will be put on the print out. या print out कर देना because this is very very important. इससे आपको बहुत फायदा होगा later on. You print it and keep it. Okay. Try and use the learned words sentences in your daily routine. ताइशो हितमत हुज़ैफा जी ने बोला Neil ji, you have to tell your daughters to practice at home, okay? And you coax them into speaking. I think that will be better, okay? Okay. An assignment: write above any five words with a and o on a fair notebook. You can also write all the words we learned up to you learn today. This is up to you. I mean, it's basically whatever you want with your roll number and name written on top. Then second, take a photo and post it, and read also and post it. Farheen ji and Huzaifa ji, again, as I told you, you write with Roman and then read that. And because time sitin chi kasan practice, khali lekhna sitin yot na क्या जो ताचु word तरह फिक्र ताचु गरस मज काट करा कशिर पैटर्न या वो बोझान so आज कैसे कोई फिक्र आता है hand practice करें लेखन कित पैटर्न कैश कर ठीक है post pages and video and send it to Kusam ji ठीक है Wednesday tam chu sozan to chu sozan Farin ji Zaifa ji to zuzu सारे homework
जी
अच्छा चलो very just for my understanding okay workbook ch you should try khadra magar again it is again for practicing your understanding sandun I will just go through them once so that you can practice them later on. Sandun, Tatsar, Sadar, Tsong, Sandur, Makats, Matsar, Fatsal, Thandau, Pat, Chop, Pots, Chap, 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 Chef, Chai, Mats, Mats ने Mats, M-A नहीं है ऊपर में, Mats, Pots, Zang, Zangul, Kraz, आगे एक्सपेक्टेड डॉट, उसमें हिंदी में डॉट क्रंज ऊपर में डॉट भूल गया. जमीन, दज, ग्रजान, ताज, जुट, अलगुजार, जाफल, तर्ज, जमीन, दानिश्वर, पान्युर, दसिल, आडवुत्स, चपल, खासर, तमील, जबीर, जबिर, पज, this is तशोई छु गलत यम लिखित. पजार छु ठीक, पेटकन छु ठीक लिखित कहीं. पेटकन गए आसन प आ तो पेटकन सो ये पजार. ब्रोंट कुन बराबर पांज, पांजिन, पांजीन, पांजीन, पांजीन. कचुल, जमादारी, हवालहत, तवीज, कतीज, वदुर, शमीज, हफीज, सोंग, जालुर, जफ, जेफ, sorry, not zaf, जेफ, दरियाव, अर्डरुन, कावडोर, ये छु बराबर. रुवांगुन, तो छु ताइद वना रुवांगुन किन वांगुन छु वना. टमाटर छु वना, टमाटर छु वना कि रुवांगुन छु वना. रुवांगुन छु वना. गवन छु वना. चलो वेरी गुड. आठ शेठक, ब्रानमुंड, जर, मेंजुर, दलवांजुन, बशीर, वटखोर, कथ कुतज, कमी छु वना.
Yus वारिया कथा आस करान.
चलो ठीक है. I don't know, you know, Neilji, this word means female who talks a lot. I don't know why there is no equivalent for male, you know.
There's no such thing.
There's no such. Male are shut. Farinji, anything?
Men talk a lot too.
That's kotol chwanante. So I say, by the way, I'm just joking. For male, it is kathakutol. And for female, it is kathakutoj. Okay. Moklyo, Arsar, Kunyer, Pashav, Jagir, Kurtis, Koons, Kranjul, Bruntim, Utim, Lokut, Donu. क्या को डोन्यू छमनो पता है, छमनो पता है. डोन्यू, ओके.
डोन्यू.
नहीं डोन्यू का तो एक्चुअली के डोन्यू इसमें में पे पता करने क्या होगा. चलो ठीक है. Anyway, main thing is that you should understand how to write and read. When I let me tell you one thing, मतलब my personally, I can write very easily in Roman, you know, but when I have to read, I have a difficulty. So because when I write, I know what it is, how I have to write. So you can practice. For reading, it is very, very important. Unfortunately, there's not much literature available in Kashmiri which is written in this. So that's why I'm writing myself and then reading it. Okay. तो take you ती करे तो Farinji and Huzaifa ji. ठीक है. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Shall we call it a day? I think we had a long time today. Almost 1.5 hours. If you need anything else, Farinji बोलिए. Anything else? Shall I stop?
नहीं
Shall
फिलहाल
I,
कुछ नहीं.
shall I stop sharing? Then anything else is there? Please let me know. When you, Farinji, anything?
ना मैं फिलहाल
Chalo. Neil ji, anything?
Nothing.
Nothing. So,
actually تۄہہِ اوسوٕ نا ہومُت وشف گوٚو forgetfulness which أسۍ چھِ یہِ استعمال کران مشرف.
नहीं, see, mashrab go, forgetfulness. Washif go, intention. Washif go, क्या? Washif go, मतलब ना, at this, just at that moment you've forgotten it, you know. Forgetfulness is totally different. Washif go time is आता थोड़ा सा ना, just I just missed it, you know.
Yeah, it's like you're saying something and it just left your mind. Right?
Yeah, that is washif. So which word बराबर? Isn't तो चुना that is forgetfulness. ठीक है?
अच्छा, क्योंकि ऐसे लिखमुत यात पेट मा छ डिटेल मंज लिखित ये किस टाइम की forgetfulness है.
But नहीं, that's right. So that's why actually क्या we can change सिर्फ खिंचनावान pronunciation. When we go to little more detailed vocabulary, then you will understand. So that time साधन करो इस पूर्ण details में. Another thing which I do not know, I think Masterji has sold all the book. There is another book which I showed you last time. This is a book which you can't read. It must be showing other way around. It is Kashmiri words. But Master ये इसका एक PDF है. I think she has posted it. जितनी जी ने हाँ आपके ग्रुप को किया है क्या? नहीं किया. नहीं, I think this is too early. This is too early. I will do one thing. Later on, it is available. It is available. If you want, आप Farinji, you can go to mkraina.com. It is available there. Okay, you can download it. Just for it is free. So don't worry. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Anything vacant?
No, bas
Okay, thank you. Neil ji, anything else? Shall I call it a day today? Okay. Yeah. See you next week. All the best.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.